You know, despite this cocktail's name, it wasn't named for the matriarch. Welcome back, and today I'm going to create the Queen Elizabeth. Now, as I said, this was not named for Queen Elizabeth, either the first or the second. The Queen Elizabeth is actually named for the creator's wife. Now, where did the Queen Elizabeth come from? Well, as far as anyone knows, this comes from 1934 and bartender Herbert Quick of the Benjamin Franklin Hotel in Philadelphia. And then in 1935, Benedictine, which is the liqueur used for this, cited that the Queen Elizabeth was the award-winning recipe from a nationwide contest. So, again, the Queen Elizabeth was named for Herbert Quick's wife, Elizabeth, hence his queen. Might be slightly romantic for some people, or cringe for others. Whatever you are, let me know in the comments below. I'd like to find out, do you think it's cringe or do you think it's romantic? I don't know. Another thing, this is also a low alcohol cocktail because there's no actual base spirit. Instead, it's going to use lime juice, Benedictine, and dry vermouth. So I'm curious about this. It's similar in vein to like the bamboo, how that is low alcohol by volume. Let's make it. This is a shaken cocktail, which means grab a shaker. It's funny how that works, right? And I need 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. And no, this is not like a sour. This is not like a daiquiri or anything along those lines. There's no sweetness aside from the liqueur I'm going to use, which is Benedictine. Benedictine is a herbal liqueur. You might remember this from my Vieux Carré episode. So I need 3/4 of an ounce of Benedictine. And last I need dry vermouth. I'm using Martini and Rossi. Noilly Prat's fine. Now, ice in. Drink in. 2, 1, go. This will be served in a Nick and Nora. Hawthorne. Down. Strain. And this is a Queen Elizabeth. Cheers. That's weird. That's tart. Ooh. That is tart. This is one I would caution some people if you're not into really tart cocktails. If you're not into tart cocktails, this might not be for you. For me, it's borderline. Me, I prefer slightly sweeter stuff. So maybe having a variation on sour with this could work. But no, the overall flavor, the lime juice hits hard. The Benedictine is there. You get the herbs. You get the herbaceousness. You get the vermouth. You know, this is a very bright cocktail. A very refreshing cocktail, if I were to say, because this would be one that if you come in after, say, a workout or working in a warm day, you decide to have a cocktail before dinner, and you want to have something that's not going to knock you completely on your backside, this would be a good cocktail to have. And something that's just going to be a bit of a refresher, maybe help lift a little bit of spirit. This will help you. This can work. Is it my favorite? By no means it is. But you know, I'm okay with this. This is fine. No, give it a shot. Especially if you have the ingredients, go for it. You might find something there. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, check down below. There's a link to kit.co, which has everything I use under the sun in my bar on there, aside from the alcohol, of course. They're all Amazon affiliate links, which you know what that means. If you click the link, make a purchase of the item, I receive a bit of the kickback. It helps the channel, so thank you in advance if you choose to do so. You can find all my socials in the description below as well, and I'm back to streaming. I will be streaming Saturday nights at 8 p.m. on the assorted channels you see here. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.